Hey everybody, my name is Richelleforever and this is Step by Step. So I'm so excited that I'm doing this video. You guys don't understand it. I've been wanting to do this video for forever, literally forever. And I just never had the time to do it, or I tried to do it with other people and things just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. So here I am doing my first video. And today we're going to be doing natural hair journeys, okay? So I'm going to talk a little bit about my hair journey, where I'm just going to show you guys pictures on my hair journey and how everything started and how I'm here where I'm at now. So I'm so excited to show you guys, because one of the main reasons why I'm doing this video is because not everybody hair grows the same. And I would constantly see other YouTubers, and I would see how their hair would start off from here. And I'm like, my hair started off from there, but then their hair ended up right here in 2 years. And I'm like, my hair is right here in 2 years. So, like, what's going on? Like, why isn't my hair growing? But I had to realize that not everybody's hair is the same. And it's not going to grow the same. It's not going to be the same. It's not going to look the same. It's not the same. So I had to realize that I have to take my own time to do it. I have to let my hair do its thing, as long as I take care of it. So that's why I'm here today. So that is the inspiration behind this video. I know that I'm not the only person out there who's struggling with, like, oh my gosh, why isn't my hair growing? Like, girl, I feel your struggle. Bro, I feel your struggle. I know y'all struggle. Like, why isn't my hair growing? You know what I mean? Like, I have shrinkage. You can see I have shrinkage. But that doesn't mean my hair is not where I want it to be. I'm ready for my hair to be, when it's in this curly state, to be down here. So you know what I mean? But what I have right now in my head, it was like it's like a 2-day twist out. But like, I did it last night. Well, I did it the day before, and it turned out really nice. But then when I woke up this morning without my cap on, it wasn't that nice. So I didn't wash my hair. All I did was dampen it and put some gel at the ends, and it's kind of like a twist out, wash and go type thing. Don't really know what's going on. But I will be doing other videos, like my wash and go, because wash and goes are the main thing that I always do. Like, wash and goes are my go-to. I love wash and goes. So I'll be doing other videos like that, and like other hairstyle videos. I'll be doing some makeup videos, because I love doing my makeup. But the thing about this channel is that not everybody is an expert as the YouTubers that we always see. So that's why I'm doing this video. That's why my channel is called Step by Step. We are going to take everything step by step. My makeup is not even all that. That's why the whole point of this channel is so we can grow. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing. I want you guys to show me what y'all been doing. We can show each other pointers and help each other out, and we can grow as a YouTube family, which I'm so excited about, because I already know this is gonna be so much fun. So I'm excited, so I'm going to go ahead and go into my natural hair journey. So to begin, when I was first born, I started off with a head full of hair. Okay, I was the only child with a head full of hair. So by the time I got to the first grade, I had already had my first perm. My mom always kept my hair up with either braids or twists. So around the time of the 5th grade, my hair was all the way down to my shoulders. But that wasn't the same when I hit 6th grade. By the time I hit 6th grade, my hair was all the way back up to my neck, and I just had split ends so bad, it was horrible. At one point during middle school, I literally had to cut my hair up to my ears. And so I would get things like braids, or I would go to my stylist and she would keep my hair up. She would keep perming it and straightening it. She treated it, but it still was breaking off, and it just looked horrible, and I just didn't know what to do with my hair. So we resorted to going to the Africans, and I got these braids, these box braids. These braids ruined my life. All my edges were gone. At this point, I was already going natural for a year. I was transitioning, but my mom did not want me to go natural. So I gave her the ultimatum. Either you let me go natural, or I'll get a perm and I get to dye my hair. So she'd rather me dye my hair and get a perm. But right after that, I went to tracks. So basically, I had my dyed hair out for 2 weeks and I'll put tracks in. Going into my 10th grade year, I knew for sure that I wanted to go natural. So I was transitioning all over again. So I had weaves, I had tracks, I had braids, I had single lace twists, and finally, I did the big chop. So in a nutshell, I grew my hair out for a year and I cut it. But I didn't know that I was supposed to cut my hair as I went along and trim it and so it can grow faster. So my hair just grew really slow. So I started out with very short hair. So after 6 months of growing my hair out, I wanted to see how long it was. So it was finally at my shoulders and it was long and full. At the beginning of my 11th grade year, I got a sew-in back in, but that was the worst thing I could possibly do. When I got it taken out, I let my sisters take my hair out and I didn't realize that they cut off a whole braid. So basically, I was working with a chunk of hair missing out of my head in the very back. And I didn't realize it at the time until my hair started growing and I could see the chunk was missing. I absolutely refused to start over. There was no way I was going to cut my hair all the way over again. So I let it grow. At this time, when I straightened my hair again, it was still in the same place. But the reason for that was I had split ends that I did not take care of, and I didn't cut my hair for a whole year. So I learned from that, and I continued to trim my hair as I went along. But for my hair, split ends was a constant thing that I had to do. And you can see that in this picture right here. My hair just had bad split ends, and I didn't know what to do with it. So I started to deep condition my hair, and that made a tremendous amount of difference. Right here in the summer before I started my senior year, I put in single lace crochets, and I absolutely loved them. When I took them out, my hair grew so much. But as it began to grow, the problem with the big chunk of my hair missing came back. So I resulted in using these clip-in curly kinky hairs. And as you can see, it made my hair a lot fuller. Since I loved it so much, I went ahead for my senior year and got a sew-in, a Vixen sew-in of natural kinky curly hair. That was just my hair texture. Once that was taken out, I started to do more hairstyles with my natural hair. I did frohawks, I did bangs, I did space buns, I did everything with my hair. And then back to the fro I went. And my hair was continuing to grow more and more. And I continued to play with protective styles. But after those, I got my hair done for a pageant that I was in, and I got heat damage so bad on my edges. So everything else was curly, but my edges. And that took me forever to get back to its natural curly state. And I'm still struggling with it right now to this day. So of course, knowing me, I put my hair back into a protective style, and I got a lace front wig sew-in. And I absolutely loved it, and I kept that in for a whole month. And once I took that out, my hair again grew so much, and I loved it. ready for another change. So I dyed my hair, and that's where I'm currently at this moment, and I loved it.